Hi friends, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. My name is Caroline. We're doing knitting and crocheting videos on my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Continental knit stitch. Now, as you can see, I already casted on some of my stitches. If you don't know how to do that, I also made a video about the long tail cast on that you can watch. So before I explain the knit stitch, I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like. Now let's go through that extra slowly. So to start the knit stitch, we're going to insert our right hand needle into the first stitch on our left hand needle knitwise. This means from the back to the front. And then you're just going to scoop up your yarn like I did here. The way you tension your yarn is very similar as what you would do when you crochet, which is why Continental knitting is easier to pick up for crocheters. You're just going to continue doing this knit stitch until your pattern says to stop. This is what your knit stitch looks like. If you can see very closely, you see that the knit stitch is a V. If we turn that around, we see the purl side of your knit stitch. These are little bumps. Recognizing your stitches will help you with knitting. This was my short and quick tutorial on how to knit Continental style. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.